right, in this video, we're going to talk about home care for your appliance. How can you take care of it? How can you increase the longevity of it? How to keep it clean? Each particular type of oral appliance is going to have specific instructions to that appliance and how to take care of it. Some manufacturers are going to want you to soak the appliance in water. Others are going to want you to keep it dry. What I want you to remember, and I want you to think of the appliance like it's a silverware. Spoon, fork, knife. You clean it with soap and water, you dry it, you store it. So you do not want to use toothpaste on your appliance. The microspheres in your toothpaste can actually scratch the appliance. So what I recommend is to get a dedicated toothbrush just for cleaning your oral appliance. You can even use an electric toothbrush. It does a really good job as far as keeping it clean. And use soap and water. I use hand soap. It does a great job. Again, think of it like a piece of silverware. And you do want to store it according to your manufacturer's instructions. It's very important that you keep the appliance clean. Most insurance plans are only going to pay for an appliance every 3 to 5 years. And if you paid out of pocket for this appliance, you're going to want this to last as long as possible. Another tip and trick is to keep it away from dogs and kids. Dogs will smell you on the appliance and think it's their chew toy. Manufacturers do not warranty that. So you want to be sure to store it according to your manufacturer's recommendations, and be sure to ask your dentist if you have any further questions about how to take care and clean your appliance.